Did your SSD suddenly fail, leaving you without access to important files? At Cubex Data Recovery, we specialize in fast and reliable SSD data recovery to get your crucial data back where it belongs, safe and secure. Our expert team uses cutting-edge technology to recover data from damaged or failed SSDs. Whether it's personal files or critical business data, we've got the tools and experience to recover everything. No matter the cause, power failure, file corruption, or accidental deletion, trust Cubex to bring your data back. Why choose Cubex Data Recovery? We don't just recover data, we provide peace of mind. With one of the highest success rates in the industry, we treat your data with the urgency it deserves. Plus, we offer free estimates so you know exactly what to expect before we start. Don't risk losing your valuable data. Call us now at 720-319-7239 for a free estimate and let Cubex Data Recovery restore what matters most to you.